Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We are back again for another great video in another amazing city. So before we get started, we all know what to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever find yourself with a 24-hour layover in Atlanta, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the best things you can see and do in this vibrant city. We're talking about maximizing every single minute, people. Atlanta's got this energy, this vibe that just sucks you in. We're going to hit the ground running and soak it all up. History, culture, food, the works. Buckle up because we're about to make this layover feel like a full-blown vacation. Trust me, you're gonna want to book a return trip after this. Let's do this. First stop, we're going deep into the Georgia Aquarium, one of the largest aquariums on the planet, millions of gallons of water, thousands of fish. Check out the Ocean Voyager exhibit, 6 stories high with whale sharks, manta rays, giant groupers. You'll be glued to the glass. And the beluga whales. Playful and graceful. They do amazing conservation work, immersive experiences, tunnels through tanks, the perfect way to kick off our Atlanta adventure. All right, sugar rush time. We're hitting up the world of Coca-Cola. Love it or hate it, you gotta respect the history of this iconic brand. Plus free samples. We're talking about the real deal here, folks. You'll learn the secret formula, or at least the myth behind it. We'll see how it's bottled, or the whole 9 yards. They've got vintage ads, memorabilia. It's a trip down memory lane. And then there's the tasting room. Oh man, the tasting room. Coca-Cola products from all over the world. Some familiar, some interesting. It's a global soda adventure, and you get to be the taste tester. This is classic Americana, people. It's cheesy, it's fun, it's a must-do when you're in Atlanta. Plus, that caffeine kick will keep us going for the rest of the day. All right, time to escape the concrete jungle for a bit. We're heading to Piedmont Park, Atlanta's green oasis. This place is huge, over 180 acres of pure chill. We're talking walking trails, bike paths, picnic spots, the works. You can rent a bike, go for a jog, or just find a shady spot and soak up the sun. It's the perfect place to recharge after that Coca-Cola sugar rush. And the people watching, you've got families picnicking, couples strolling hand in hand, dog walkers, frisbee throwers. It's a slice of Atlanta life. You can really feel the city's energy here, but in a relaxed, laid-back way. This is what I love about Atlanta, man. You've got the hustle and bustle of the city, but then you got these pockets of peace and tranquility. It's the perfect balance. All right, time to get our steps in. We're hitting the Atlanta BeltLine, a 22-mile loop of former railway lines that's been transformed into this incredible urban trail. Trust me, this is the coolest way to see the city. We're talking walking, biking, rollerblading, whatever floats your boat. The BeltLine connects so many different neighborhoods. You get to see all these different sides of Atlanta. Street art, parks, restaurants. It's a constantly evolving landscape. Keep an eye out for the art installations along the way, murals, sculptures, you name it. Atlanta's got this thriving art scene, and the BeltLine is like an open-air gallery. It's a feast for the eyes. This is what I'm talking about, people, taking something old and industrial and turning it into something beautiful and vibrant. It's the perfect example of Atlanta's spirit of reinvention. No trip to Atlanta is complete without paying homage to Martin Luther King Jr. The Martin Luther King Jr. National Historical Park is a powerful reminder of the civil rights struggle. It's a journey through history. See Dr. King's birthplace, Ebenezer Baptist Church, and his final resting place. Feel the weight of history and the fight for equality. Dr. King's message of peace and justice is timeless. Reflect, learn, and be inspired. This place will stay with you long after you leave. We all have a role in creating a just world. All right, after a day of exploring, it's time to refuel with some good old-fashioned Southern hospitality. We're finishing our Atlanta adventure at Mary Mac's Tea Room, a local institution that's been serving up comfort food since 1945. We're talking fried chicken, mac and cheese, collard greens, peach cobbler, all the classics. And don't even think about skipping the sweet tea. It's legendary. This is the kind of food that just warms your soul. The atmosphere is pure Southern charm. Checkered tablecloths, friendly servers, and that feeling that you're stepping back in time. It's the perfect place to unwind and savor the flavors of the South. Trust me, after a meal at Mary Mac's, you'll be rolling out of there with a full belly and a happy heart. It's the perfect end to our whirlwind tour of Atlanta. That's it for your 24-hour layover in Atlanta. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the city's highlights. We packed a lot in, didn't we? From the depths of the ocean to the heights of civil rights history, Atlanta's got it all. This city will surprise you. It'll inspire you. It'll leave you wanting more. So next time you find yourself with a layover, don't just sit around the airport. Get out there and explore. You never know what adventures await. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment of where you would like to go next. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.